Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another Valentine's Day inspired look, and it's just a really easy pink halo eye look. I just think this look is so fun, and yeah, I never really use pink on my eyes either, but I think it actually goes really well with this hair, and yeah, I just really like the look, and it would be perfect for Valentine's Day as it is pink. But of course, if you wanted to, you could change it and use a different colour. And also, for once, I've managed to get eyelashes on, and these are massive, but I really like how they look actually. So I'm glad I went with those. So if you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. So I've already done my base makeup like normal, so it means we can get straight on into doing the eyeshadow. So that is my Valentine's Day pink halo eye look, and I've tried to keep it as simple as possible while still having the same effect. I also forgot to film my brows. I showed what I was using, but I forgot to film me actually doing it. But it's just the same as what I do in every single video, so it's not much different there. Also, I don't film the eyeliner or the lashes because they go wrong every single time. And I didn't want the added stress of filming it and then hating it once I saw it back. So that is why you didn't see me do them. But I hope you liked this look, and if you did, please get big thumbs up and subscribe. I have a new video every single week, and also if you have any suggestions of looks you would like me to do, I do a lot of film and TV character recreation and inspired looks. So please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!